Hi, I'm John Houtman, owner of PHLster. At the time of recording this, we just wrapped an amazing weekend of filming with Rhett Neumayer, a fantastic instructor and the owner of Demonstrated Concepts. The PHLster team and I couldn't be more excited to share this amazing video series with you. Over the past several years, Rhett has absolutely blown our minds, and I'll tell you why. When we invented the Enigma, we thought the primary innovation we were bringing to market was the ability to deliver all of the advantages of conventional appendix carry to clothing which didn't support the use of a regular belt. For decades, best results in terms of safety, performance, and concealment were the domain of IWB holsters attached to belts, worn on pants with belt loops. And that our big leap forward was in delivering all of those capabilities with no sacrifice in any area to the complete wardrobe. But we were wrong. We were wrong because technology turned out to only be half of this equation. The other half, which we did not anticipate, was that the technology facilitated new practices beyond our normal expectations of concealed carry. Using the Enigma as a foundation, Rhett has developed and refined new methodologies and techniques which dramatically expand what we classify as viable in this whole field of practice. All while totally eliminating the visible signature of the pistol in all manner of clothing. You see, when the holster is divorced from the clothing, anything you're wearing becomes merely another cover garment, which can be cleared during the draw. A good holster can't obstruct or impede a solid grip during the draw. Since anything attached to the holster essentially becomes a part of the holster itself, a conventional appendix holster must have a ride height which allows full access to the pistol grip, because you cannot clear the belt and the waistband of the pants out of the way when they're attached to the holster by clips or belt loops. But when the pants, skirt, shorts, or any other bottoms are merely another cover garment, techniques can be developed to effectively access the pistol. These techniques are highly refined, completely transferable, principle-driven, and surprisingly easy to learn, and they allow the pistol grip to ride at or below the waistline, making the gun absolutely invisible with little to no penalty to speed of access. Rhett and many other shooters are achieving the 1 second to sub-second draw to first hits that we expect as standard from conventional carry. With this dovetailing of technology and technique, Rhett has expanded what's possible with concealed carry in a way which perfectly fits our mission at PHLster of making the highest levels of performance accessible to carriers of every skill level or experience. We are so excited to bring you what is truly the next evolution of concealed carry in every way. And it is our pleasure to introduce you to Imperceptible Handgun.